Hello fellows, welcome to another episode of the Bitcoin series. Guys, thank you very much for your support. Again, I will have to say that trading is risky as hell. Don't follow my trades. 90% are losing money in the market. I'm glad you've got some trading ideas based on my trades. Again, trading at your own risk. This is a disclaimer we need to say every time, or at least most of the times. We do this series only for entertainment purposes. I see that people are following me, and again, thank you for your messages. We are 3% up in our account. Remember, we are trading the same account. These are my trades. You can verify them in any episode. We need transparency, proving that it can be done. So it's not easy, and that's why we are here. I see people and gurus out there, videos, from people that have no idea on how to trade, zero proven trading history, and so on. Thanks God, not all of them are the same. We will follow the market every week and step by step. So let's see what we did so far. We are long in the market. Indeed, the market moved as we said. We will do the same analysis. We will start with the sentiment and the CFTC report. Guess what happened miraculously this week? Again, this is being repeated every single week. Every time retailers are in the wrong side. This is the reason 90% are losing money in the market, no doubt. Retailers increased their short positions and commercial did the opposite. Now the market moved higher this week, so again commercials did the right choice. 75% are long in the market. They increased their long position significantly. Now see what the retailers did. They increased their shorts, the opposite direction. Overall, the market in total position is bearish. I will open my technical part, my MT4. The market broke the bearish structure in the daily chart. Again, it's too early, but we do have our first signs that the market might start turning around. In the 4 hours, we have an ascending channel. So if this channel breaks to the downside, I'm waiting a retracement to previous supports. What I want to see, the most and my biggest concern is how the market will react at these major retracement levels. I'm talking about the 25k. I think it's a key price. I believe that 15k was the bottom of the market. Again, we can never be sure. That's why we are having our stop losses. We calculate our risks. Trade money we can afford to lose and so on. Guys, we have discussed that several times, and I have to say to you every time that you are trading. Trading is very risky. However, it's very rewarding, and you need a lot of time and patience to get into a point that you will see some progress in your account, in your trading methods. And the reason why you should not trade and start with several demos accounts is because the market is really hard. The 90-90-90 rule is out there and will eliminate your account. So again, guys, thank you very much. We are growing really fast. I didn't expect, to be honest. I'm glad that most of you are traders, so you know what you are doing. I like very much the trading ideas and the messages you are sending to me. Unfortunately, I cannot respond to every single message. Again, guys, thank you very much. Trade safe, and I hope I'll see you in the future.